how to do COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel with an example. So if you want to do the COUNTIF function in Microsoft Excel, then what you need to do is you just need to simply enter the function, which is equals to COUNTIF, and then open your bracket. And here you need to enter the range. So I'll just choose B3 and then F3, which is this one and this one. So enter B3 and then go with a colon and then enter F3. Or you can just enter it manually, B3 and then here F3. And once you enter it, you need to go with a comma and then enter the criteria. So I'll just enter P with inverted quotations and then close the bracket and hit enter. And that's it. That's how you can use the function. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.